Momen has been updated to latest version on July 3rd. Let's take a look at the new features and optimizations in this update. First, one of the new product features is the addition of global search. This allows you to search for pages, components, models, actions, and requests. Additionally, the search results support quick one-click jumps directly to the corresponding configuration page. Let's look at a specific example. First, I added a button to the page and bound an action to it. The action will direct to page 2 when I click this button. I can copy the ID of this action. Then open the global search, paste the action ID previously copied. Click search. Among the options below, you can quickly jump to the configuration page of that specific action. Another new product feature is support for account deletion. Let's open the Personal Center. In the upper right corner, click on Account Info. You can see a new Delete Account button has been added. Please note that deleting an account means permanently deleting all related account information and data. This operation is irreversible, so please use it with caution. Next, let's look at the optimizations in this update. The first optimization is for the interaction in logs, which includes an optimized time range selector. For this previous project, open its logs from the top right. Log information is usually very extensive, therefore, we need to use the time range selector to define the log query range. After opening the time range selector, you can see a series of quick options on the left. After clicking an option, the corresponding time range will be automatically calculated and queried. It also supports a more precise selection of the desired query time on the right. Regarding the optimizations in logs interaction, there are also improvements when entering query statements. Clicking on this search box shows syntax tips. However, the content is very brief. If you wish to read more complete information, you should check the help documentation. We have provided an icon here. Clicking it allows you to quickly open the relevant help documentation to read the more complete content. The next optimization is for the TabView Component. We have enabled automatic forward scrolling for tabs. Let's go back to this project. Here, I added a TabView component. You can see this TabView component has many tabs. There are 7. Let's open it in the preview. You can see that not all tabs are visible. Tab 6 and tab 7 are not shown. But when we click tab 6, the tabs in the top navigation bar will automatically scroll forward, making these 2 tabs visible. The next optimization is for the video component. We have enabled video playback using the browser's native player. The benefit of this optimized feature is that when users open the website, the video loading speed will be faster. Back in the project, I added a video component to this page. You can see there is a native video tag switch in the right configuration panel. Turning it on allows video playback using the browser's native mode on the web page. The next optimization is for the image components. We have enabled the image component to bind data in base64 format. I will go back to the project. Add an image component to this page, and in the data mode, I select data binding. Data passed through the data binding now supports base64 format. And that's all about Momen's update. Thanks for watching and please stay tuned.